I just disappointed and I reached to the point where I say, are you Toddler? General B, if you no can't agree, one hour have to exit boomboxing. One hour have to exit boombox and leave it alone.
Yeah, I'm the SR boss I represent for Jamaican baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Yeah. Obviously the partnership now work out with, you know. One hour have to leave it alone.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot one in the Sunday evening here. Me I beg on to like, share, subscribe on the video here. You don't know, we have to bless up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have life, my people. Uno don't see what go on, my people. There's a big thing in the media right now. A big stink. I'm not gonna say it's a proud moment because it's definitely not. Two veteran in a dancehall. The man them basically are war, my people, and the man them now war on WhatsApp are behind the scenes. They did it on camera. You understand? So there was an incident at the Boombox Friday event, and that was staged Friday gone, my people, and the people who have to black it out, my people, but as you can see, it look like them push General B off of the stage, my people. You understand? We just gonna take out a little clip there and come back real quick.
Yo, but, yo, like I'm something up. Alright, yo, like I'm a team up, bad man. Yo, go ahead. Yo, go on there, talk to you what? Talk to you, sir, what? Come here, listen. Me not sugarcoat nothing. What you tell me about what me for do? What you tell me, sir? Me not sugarcoat nothing, let the people. Because General B no come boy from out.
Alright, my people, that are basically when me could have did show. You understand? But long and short, General B and Toddler, them not see eye to eye. The two of them basically start the whole Boombox Friday thing, and them not see eye to eye. Them a war over money, them a war over this, them a war over that, my people. You understand? So Foota Hype actually went down a big detail into it, and him a make them know basically, because Foota Hype basically attack say him and Movado used to be friends, him and Killa them used to be serious friends, and him basically that for end all of them friendship there. Once I say the friendship now gonna know, my people. So I have the live of Foota do a while ago, my people. I be gonna stay on and make me know wanna actually think about the whole saga that is happening right now. You understand, my people? Pick up on yourself, Jamaican Chat. Yes, so we're gonna jump off, you know. I'm out.
Harry Toddler, I'm a bridgie. Passion mine at I'm a bridgie. I tell you, I never got talk about it till me hear what go on. Sidela Marley, big up, here she give whole heap. You see me, I say big up. The Marley family in general. Sean Kingston, Mama Kingston, give a whole heap. You see? So, I kind of put my ears on the ground and hear what go on. And I don't want to talk about it, you know. Based on what I hear, I don't want to talk about it. I just disappointed, and I reached to the point where I say, are you Toddler? General B, if you no can't agree, one hour have to exit boomboxing. One hour have to exit boombox and leave it alone. Yeah. Obviously the partnership now work out with, you know. One hour have to leave it alone. You see me? Me and the two are bridging. But obviously the friendship now work out. You gotta have a point where you have to walk away from friendship. And you have to walk away from people. You see what I'm saying? If it now work out, you have to leave. One hour have to leave. Me and my brother grew together, eat out of one box, run hose wheel. We used to tow him on bicycle. We used to thief out and go party together and deal with local badness together, everything. And me and him have to part ways. Bounty Killa, I'm a general, I'm a DJ, I'm a legend. You see me? Help me whole heap and me help him whole heap. And it get to a point where it can't work and I have to lower him out. I just saw something go. Me not eat none of them, but we have to lower them out. You understand what I'm saying? You see me, you have to just leave out. When they say some ratings not there in a certain friendship, you have to lower it out. When you see certain people not rate them, you rate them, and it cause argument because you are fight for what you deserve. You argue for your respect what you deserve as to all you know what you put in, and you not get it. Where you got to get up every day and fight? No, you have to just leave it. You understand me? I say? You have to just allow it alone. Yeah, because people will dead with you. Like how me decide to me allow Dexter Daps, something of them I know. Dexter Daps, I just my bridging. And he heal me heal him and I go on business. I don't feel like Dexter respect me. But we have me respect him. You see me, son? Yeah, so I just add Dexter to my list of people where Dexter and my brother heal me heal him, that's it. I mean, that's not respect, you see me? But nothing wrong, you know. People not have to rate you, know, like how you rate them. So, when you realize the ratings now forward from both sides, you have to just fall back and just love it. Yeah. So, Toddler and General B, you have to just love each other friendship. I hope a friendship I walk away from. You see me I say? The whole heap of friendship I walk away from. Come see it now work out. You understand me? And I say it going to lead to a stage where my friend have to go kill me and me have to go kill my friend. So I just walk left it. And know say alright, I do it if you live from. I'm Ocean to live from, I have Biggs to live from, I have Ian to live from. I have to take care of my sister and my brother. You understand? Yeah. I have a woman to make love to it. Me dead, me can't make love to her. You understand what I say? So, you have to learn when to walk away, star. So either General B are going to walk away or Toddler are going to walk away. One of them. You get me, I say? So, I saw it go. I see him things, scare them crew, problem I go on Elephant Man cut. I saw it go. Monster Shack crew, problem I go on Ghost cut. I saw it go. Sometimes you have to walk with. No, but that's true. Alright, enough time when me not get trouble. You think I just me picking them alone? No, me I think about me want crutches too. I say me no want dead left for crutches. Me think about me picking them, yes? And I say, yeah. Me have to say, yo, jeez, I'm crying, I want to live for me picking them. But I want to live for my woman crutches too. Because I love vagina. You understand what I say? So I have to walk with. Yeah, people see Crabber, they say a real thing. Because what things now work right and Crabber run and left Charlie Blacks. And they up at one far party now on Snow Mountain. Him and him wife. And cut. And say I go up on suicide watch and go up on one big house top and I go jump out. And Charlie said, Crabber, don't do it. Don't do it. And Crabber said, me no business. Whoa. And I got jump. And Shorty said, no. And at the same time, Shorty think in her head. And Shorty goes, a woman, take out her phone and say, look, Crabber, Charlie's calling. Charlie's calling. And Crabber said, I lie. You lied, I'm a jump. She said, no. Charlie, say something. Say something. And he, whoa. And the country boy again. And Charlie never kill himself. Crabber never kill himself. And no same friend rate him. You understand me? I say? So Charlie Black should reach out and say, no Crabber, I need up on the team. Sorry for all of what I do. I don't really realize how important it is to the team. And I'm sorry man, sometimes my ego and the two of them work out them thing. And them a tour again and everybody happy again. You understand what I say? So you know the thing, the real friendship work that way there. Sometimes the man them have too much ego now and can't reconcile. That's why I have to rate Charlie Blacks and Crabber, them keep them friendship intact. When we talk about friendship, you know, When we talk about friendship, a Busta Rhymes and Spliff Star, I say have the most serious friendship